Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy headshots with the Desert Eagle. First, always prioritize headshots. The Desert Eagle is a one-shot kill to the head at most ranges. Begin by consistently placing your crosshair at head level, anticipating enemy positions. This pre-aiming technique significantly reduces the time needed to acquire a target. Focus on small, controlled movements to fine-tune your aim. Remember, precision over speed is key with this powerful pistol. Now let's refine your aiming. For sudden engagements, practice quick flick shots to snap onto an enemy's head. After firing, allow a brief moment for the Desert Eagle's recoil to reset, ensuring your next shot is accurate. This one-tap method is crucial for consistent headshots, especially at medium to long distances. Avoid spamming shots as this drastically reduces accuracy. Focus on making each shot count, aiming for that critical headshot. Movement is just as vital as aim. Employ quick peeks around corners to spot enemies without fully exposing yourself. This allows you to gather information and set up your shot. When engaging, use short, controlled strafes to throw off enemy aim while maintaining your own. Always position yourself near cover, like a wall or crate, to quickly retreat or re-peek. Smart positioning gives you a significant advantage in every gunfight. Finally, consistent practice and a strong mindset are essential. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to aim training maps, focusing specifically on headshot drills. Prioritize consistency in your aim over trying to be lightning fast initially. A calm and confident mindset will help you perform under pressure. Believe in your ability to land those crucial headshots. With dedication, you will see significant improvement in your Desert Eagle skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.